Well, the reason why I put this is a lot of authors write poems for different reasons. So, what's the reason? Rudyard Kipling wrote If. Why is it called Triumph and Disaster, Imposters? Well, this one's pretty self-explanatory, but I mean, why does triumph and disaster are considered imposters in this poem?
My name is Derek, and I'm doing I in rank. It stands for inferences, and the connection means like text to self, text to world, or text to text. And the prediction is where you predict what will happen next, and the inference is like what you think by looking at it. So I first predict that the person will say if you can do these tasks, you accomplish something, which means like that means that they can if he sees something and he can like if he do the math and he can accomplish something, and I predict that the deeds of all like these stanzas reflect off show somebody that shouldn't pass limits, like no one look too good or to talk too wise. That means like he should not like be like more fashion and like come in a room and saying like how good I am at this stuff. The inferences is that all these phrases, if phrases means like you can do this and you can do that. If you can do this, you can do that. And the prediction again is that I predict the father wants his son to be a man like himself. I mean, like he wants his own son to be like a big grown man, just like himself, so that he can show like the world how like talented he is or how like good he is. And the reflection, which is I reflect to text when it states treating from a disaster the same, because I treat them like imposters that don't belong. That means that means that's a complicated word, or like how they should reflect off it and like go into a definition book and check for something. And the text is related to the text. Paper towns, because if one has one sentence stating with it in 60 seconds of war run to the journey of Queen to find Margaret in only a couple of days, so a long road trip to a low New York. That means if he can do like run to somewhere in 60 seconds, he can do this like in a couple of days. And lastly, the poem is related to world because it talks about risking winning on a pitch and toss or gambling and losing, which means that if they can do this, which is related to world, which is text to world.
In this picture, as you can see, we do that and we are trying to make people know that this man is telling the boy what he has to do to become a man.
And for this part, it's basically talking about not going overboard with anything in your life. Like if you can drink and not drink your master, or if you can sing and not touch it.
And in this picture, the third one, it's about what about his will and what he can do to repay back to the other.
Hang on to the will, because the will tells him to hang on. And for the last picture, it's talking about keeping your pride, but not going overboard with your pride. Kind of like this part, except for this, you still have to be alert of danger. Like if neither foes or loving friends can hurt you. So basically, you're keeping your pride and you're keeping off that side. So basically, for this whole part, it's just talking about a man teaching his son to be